Hey, it's Marcy from NEWPRO. How does a home renovation and a giveaway vacation sound? There has never been a better time to have NEWPRO come out to your home to take a look at your next home improvement project. That's because we are giving away a trip for two to the beautiful tropical island of St. Martin. It's part of our exclusive Renovate and Rejuvenate giveaway. All you have to do for a chance to win is have us out for a free consultation, and when we leave you with a free quote, you'll be automatically entered for a chance to win a tropical vacation for two to St. Martin. No purchase is necessary. So if you have some home improvement projects to check off that list, let one of our design consultants come out, evaluate your project, show you some options, take some measurements, and leave you with a free, no obligation, down to the penny quote. Let NEWPRO take the stress out of your home improvement project and help you relax with a chance to win a vacation getaway to St. Martin. A home renovation and a vacation.